At Robinson, we're committed to creating learning experiences that meet the needs of each student. Standards and skills are aligned across the school and embedded within the framework of the International Baccalaureate program. Teachers, instructional coaches, and school leaders collaborate to develop and continuously review a multidisciplinary curricular program that connects across subjects and develops the essential skills students need for success in college or university study and beyond. A broad program of electives, co-curricular and experiential learning initiatives, student leadership and travel opportunities round out our program. The school designs opportunities for students to share their growth, and students are recognized throughout the year for their achievements and contributions through a variety of academic and community award ceremonies, project showcases, exhibits, and performances. Our diverse community allows for a truly rich experience for all of our students. Students learn to identify and embrace who they are and take advantage of every opportunity the school provides to better themselves and prepare for their future. Our faculty and staff join students as part of a broader community of learners that seek out and engage with ongoing professional development opportunities, international baccalaureate trainings and certifications, and other interdisciplinary topics throughout the year, like problem and project-based learning and technology as a means to transform Robinson's learning experiences. We emphasize and invest significantly in professional development as a pillar that make us stand out as a school. Our faculty are skilled differentiators, challenging students who need opportunities to extend their learning, and designing structured learning activities for students who need some additional support to master a skill or understand a content topic more fully. Advanced and gifted learners enjoy opportunities to pursue study in courses outside of grade level, expand their academic program with specialized electives and core courses through our virtual high school partnership, and work individually with teachers to pursue opportunities for intellectual or interest-based projects. As students progress through Robinson, school leaders, program coordinators, and counselors monitor and collaborate with students and families to focus and individualize their objectives and academic plans. We firmly believe that in order to prepare students for success in the future, technology plays an important role throughout the teaching and learning process. The school prides itself on being a leader in the area of education technology and infrastructure in Puerto Rico. Our campus is connected and high speed. Classrooms and teachers are equipped with the latest technology, resources to deliver a highly effective 21st century learning experience for all students. The school employs Canvas learning management system at all levels and utilizes Microsoft Office 365 as the foundational tools for our learning programs. While just a glimpse of all that we offer, I hope this information helps you in your search for the right school for your child. We absolutely love what we do here at Robinson, and I would welcome the opportunity to share more with you and answer any questions you may have about our programs or our approaches. We look forward to meeting you and your family and welcoming you into ours.